tutorial on how schools and districts can successfully enroll new students into the Illinois Virtual Course program. As you may be aware, effective January 1, 2020, the Illinois Virtual Course program, approved by the Illinois State Board of Education, is intended as a supplemental program that partners with schools to provide full-service core, elective, AP, and credit recovery courses for middle and high school students that will offer schools a choice of online courses provided from 6 service providers. BCG Learning Solutions happens to be one of those 6 service providers. So when you come to the Illinois Virtual Course Catalog, you simply type in BCG and you will start to see a list of approved courses by the Illinois State Board of Education that your students can enroll in. Simply click on one of the courses that meet your interests, and there you'll be taken to our main page where you can start reviewing, finding more about the courses that we offer. The approved courses, the grades that we serve are grades 9 through 12. This is a controlled cost program. The enrollment information, let's fully submit enrollment request. But let's say you're still reviewing and trying to make sure that this is the right course for your particular students. Well, you can take a look closer by clicking on the button here, and that will take you to a course overview and once again controlled cost pricing for the schools and districts. There you will see all of the different types of courses, career and technical education courses that we offer the schools and districts for their students. Let's say a student is interested in family and career relationships. Well, you simply click on the Enroll button. You will be taken to the enrollment form. Now the form is quite simple, but it is some key information that you must make sure is filled in. For one, the full name, email address, phone number, and your particular message. What we're looking for is to make sure that we know your school name, and if this is a new request or a change or inquiry to an existing request that's already been submitted. Once you've filled out that information, press submit, and one of our enrollment coordinators will quickly respond within 24 hours to make sure that your questions are answered. When it comes to enrolling in the actual course, you will be sent back access credentials and login information to log into the online portal. Once provided that access, any courses that your students are enrolled in will appear on their dashboard. And you simply know you're in the right place. So as a school administrator, you also will have access to this information, and you too will also be able to see that you're in the right place. If you should have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us directly by calling the toll-free number you see here or sending us an email to make sure that we get your questions answered. Once again, thank you for learning with us.